Hi, my name is Bob Wetterman from BEST, and today I'm going to talk to you about the Soldering 101 training kit. This particular kit is very useful for a variety of reasons. Number one, it's a kit that allows you to build something and actually has a function to it. So it's an executive decision maker. So once the student is done learning how to solder, there's a takeaway. They bring something home with them. Second great thing about this kit is it includes everything that you need except for the solder and the soldering tips and the soldering iron, is that it has all of the components. It allows a student to be exposed to both through-hole as well as surface mount technology. And if used in a class, and our particular class is over a period of 2 days, we get the students comfortable with the aspect of hand soldering. This is a great way to train new associates or to screen new associates to give them a soldering test. So that's really the second use for this particular product, is not only can it screen individuals who are wanting to enter your company as a soldering associate, but it also trains new associates who may want to get involved in hand soldering within your company. So it has plated through hole components, it has functionality to it, and it has surface mount components. This is readily available on soldertools.net, the Soldering 101 kit from BEST.